Hi guys! Welcome to my YouTube channel. So before we get started, make sure to hit the like button, also subscribe to my channel. In this video, we will talk about 8 legitimate ways to earn money watching videos. So make sure to watch the full video. We all groan when an advertisement interrupts our chosen video content. But what if you were getting paid to watch? Believe it or not, several sites pay you to watch ads, previews, and other content, including movies and TV shows. Although it won't make you rich, watching online videos in your free time can earn you gift cards and extra cash that might help you stash away some savings. There are a number of companies looking for new members to help them out, so here's how you can get started. 1. Inbox Dollars. Since the company was founded in 2000, Inbox Dollars has paid its members more than $59 million in cash. With an A rating with the Better Business Bureau and plenty of great reviews on Trustpilot. Inbox Dollars is a legitimate site that will pay you to watch videos online. Inbox Dollars has a variety of videos in different categories available for you to watch on its video channel. You'll be able to see how much you can earn before watching, anywhere from a few cents to a few dollars, and you can watch as many videos as you want. Inbox Dollars makes money from big companies that want you to see their content and shares a portion of the earnings with you. As you watch more videos, you'll also have the opportunity to earn virtual scratch-off cards with hidden cash prizes. Once you earn $30 in your account, you'll be able to cash out via PayPal, select gift cards, or request a check. 2. MyPoints. MyPoints is a reward site that's been around since 1996. The company has an A rating with the Better Business Bureau and thousands of excellent reviews on Trustpilot. With MyPoints, you can use your account to earn rewards when you shop, on top of coupon discounts. Take online surveys and play games for points, and of course, watch videos. To earn points watching videos with MyPoints, you'll need to complete a playlist of videos. You can earn on-site with your computer or rack up extra points when you use the MyPoints mobile app, which is available for both Android and iOS. You can earn up to 500 points per day watching video playlists. The value of each point depends on the redemption you choose. One of the unique things about MyPoints is that it partners with United Airlines, so you can use your points to add miles to your United MileagePlus account. But if you're not planning on traveling in the near future, you can also choose gift cards from 70 retailers and restaurants, or redeem your points for a PayPal deposit or Visa prepaid card. 3. Swagbucks. Owned by the same company as MyPoints and Inbox Dollars, Swagbucks is a popular rewards program that was founded in 2004. The company has an A rating with the BBE and thousands of excellent reviews on Trustpilot. Swagbucks lets you earn points for shopping at partner retailers, searching the web, answering surveys, and watching videos. It's paid its users more than $434 million, and it gives out 7,000 gift cards per day. Users can choose to cash out via PayPal or redeem their points for gift cards. 100 Swagbucks equals $1. Swagbucks notes that some committed users have earned over $10,000 on the site, but casual users tend to earn $25 $100 in extra cash each month. Although it won't make you rich, Swagbucks is a legitimate way to earn free money from many of the activities you would do anyway. 4. CashKick. Like other tried and true apps on our list, CashKick partners with companies that are eager to get feedback from consumers like you. While CashKick does not have a dedicated page with the Better Business Bureau, it's a legitimate site that allows you to earn rewards in several different ways. CashKick users can get rewarded for watching short videos, taking surveys, downloading and playing games, signing up for services, and completing other tasks on their computer or mobile device. The payout for each activity varies, and users can choose to cash out their earnings via PayPal once they have $10 in their CashKick account. With CashKick, you also have the option to refer friends and earn rewards. When a friend signs up with your referral link and completes tasks on CashKick, you'll get a 25% commission on their total earnings. If you have friends or family who are eager to earn extra cash in their spare time, making referrals can be a great way to work toward that $10 payout threshold. 5. Nielsen. For more than 90 years, Nielsen has been tracking what samples of the population are listening to and watching in order to provide businesses with insights about how their content is performing. Nielsen is an S&P 500 company with market research operations in more than 100 countries. One of the ways Nielsen rates content is through collecting data on the behavior of Nielsen families, which are households that are selected to represent greater communities. You can't volunteer to be a Nielsen family, but if you are selected, you will receive gifts for participating. You can also sign up to be part of the Nielsen computer and mobile panel. To participate, you'll download software onto your devices. The mobile app is available for both iPhones and Android devices. From there, just use the internet and watch content as you normally would. There's no need to watch specific videos. You'll help companies improve their products, and you'll also have the opportunity to earn rewards and sweepstake entries. Nielsen gives away $10,000 each month. 6. Netflix. If you're looking for a full-time opportunity and have skills in categorization and a love of film and TV, keep an eye on job openings at Netflix. Netflix hires a small number of lucky editorial analysts, also called taggers, to essentially tag their content so it appears in the right categories and gets pulled into the right rows on your home screen. That means watching hours of movies and TV could actually be part of your job. For example, the company recently had an opportunity available for someone who speaks Spanish and has a passion for Latin American content. The first responsibility: watch, research, rate, tag, annotate, and write analysis reports for movie and TV content. Sounds like a dream for someone who loves to binge watch new series. 7. GrabPoints. GrabPoints is a free mobile app launched in 2014 and allows users to earn points for activities such as taking surveys and watching videos. GrabPoints has many positive reviews both on its website and on Trustpilot. When you watch videos on GrabPoints, you'll earn points. You can choose from a variety of channels, so you won't have to watch videos that don't interest you. GrabPoints will show you how many points you'll earn and how many videos you'll need to watch to earn rewards. Once you have 3,000 points, equivalent to $3, you'll be able to get PayPal cash or free gift cards to popular retailers. Because there's a low threshold for redemption and you'll be able to get your payout in 48 hours after requesting it, GrabPoints is one of the fastest ways to make money watching videos online. You can also earn extra points for referring your friends to the program. 8. Viggle. Launched in 2012, Viggle is a rewards app for Android devices that allows users to earn rewards for watching TV shows and listening to music. The app has more than 7 million users who have redeemed more than $19 million in rewards. Viggle lets you earn points for watching TV shows and movies on your favorite streaming platforms and live TV just by checking in with the Viggle app. Users get a point per minute for watching shows or listening to music through the Viggle app, plus any bonuses. Featured shows can earn up to 15x the points. You'll be able to redeem your points for PayPal cash, a prepaid debit card, or free gift cards to more than 200 retailers. Keep in mind that the reviews on Google Play are mixed, with many users citing glitches, but Viggle is a legitimate app that may be worth trying out. If you'd like to join a group chat with thousands of like-minded individuals who help each other out and give business advice, click the link in the description. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also, subscribe to our channel before you go. Thank you for watching.